Always welcome to GIS and Remote Sensing channel. This is our first video. In this video, we will learn how to create a geodatabase and different layers in ArcGIS. You can create two types of databases in ArcGIS: file geodatabase and personal geodatabase. The second database in ArcGIS is a personal geodatabase that can save the data not larger than 2 gigabytes in a Microsoft Access format. And to create the personal geodatabase, the first way is go to the folder that you want to create personal geodatabase, and here we have created new personal geodatabase in MDB format. And now we rename this personal geodatabase Lesson1. And now we have created personal geodatabase. The second way creating personal geodatabase is through the personal geodatabase creating processing tool. Here we create personal MDB. Maybe we type in search button personal MDB. Create personal geodatabase. Yes, we must write personal GDB in search button, create personal geodatabase, and here we select the location that we want to save the personal geodatabase, and the name. Here we type the name ArcGIS Lesson 1.11, and here we can, as in file geodatabase, also in personal geodatabase, we can specify all the releases of ArcGIS that can open a personal geodatabase we have just created, and then press OK button. Here we can see the process of creating personal geodatabase. Now we have created ArcGIS Lesson 1.1 MDB here in personal geodatabase, and through the geodatabase creating processing tool. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, click the like button and share buttons, and subscribe to channel to get information about the next videos. Goodbye and take care of yourself.